The Parking Along Path tool will allow you to create parking spaces along a predefined path, or along a path as it is drawn. The parking spaces that are drawn can be numbered and even reported in a worksheet. There are two ways to create a Parking Along Path object. First, if you have a polyline already drawn, you can select it and go to Landmark, Create Objects from Shapes, and select Parking Along Path. You can also use the Parking Along Path tool. To use the Parking Along Path tool, click the tool in your site planning toolset. This tool is only available in Vectorworks Landmark. Once you have the tool selected, you can choose any of the polyline drawing modes to draw the path. Click to begin drawing the parking path, and click to set each vertex. Double-click to create an open polyline path, or click at the start point to create a closed path. The Object Properties box will appear if this is the first time you have placed a Parking Along Path object. Here you can adjust the parameters for the new object. Click OK to close the dialog, as these settings can be adjusted in the Object Info palette after placement. With the Parking Along Path object selected, you can change the space width and the length in the Object Info palette. The space width may increase with spaces along a curve. The width is defined as the minimum width between the two sides. The length will remain the same for each space, regardless of its location on the curve. The Space Numbering checkbox will add a parking space number to each space. You can enter a starting number for each Parking Along Path object. To change the parking space numbering font, size, or style, select the object and make the appropriate changes through the text menu at the top of your screen. Vectorworks will also automatically display the total number of spaces for each object in the Object Info palette. Spaces on left of poly will draw spaces on the left side of the polyline path. Spaces on right of poly will draw them on the right side. The left and right are determined by the direction that the polyline path was drawn. The selected Parking Along Path object can be edited by going to Modify, Edit Parking Along Path. Here you can reshape or adjust the polyline and click Exit to finalize the edit. You can also reshape the parking object directly with the Reshape tool by double-clicking on the object. This will automatically select the Reshape tool and allow you to make changes. The Parking Along Path tool allows you to make parking spaces along any path quickly and efficiently.